let's learn Hot Tamales Junior. It's choreographed by Thompson, Szymanski, and John Robinson. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, high beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. This dance was choreographed to be a floor split for the intermediate dance, Hot Tamales. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Hot Tamales Junior. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do toe struts forward. So you're going to take your right toe, touch it forward, drop your right heel, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to touch your left toe forward, drop your left heel, take weight onto your left foot, touch your right toe forward, drop your right heel, take weight onto your right foot, touch your left toe forward, drop your left heel, take weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your toe struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to point our right toe to the right side, step your right next to your left. Point your left toe to the left side, step your left next to your right. Point your right toe to the right side, step your right next to your left. We're now going to do a swivet. So we're going to use our right heel to rotate. So you're going to lift your right toe up and turn on your heel, making your right toe come out to the right. As you do that, you're going to use your left toe to be a pivot point, and you're going to rotate your left heel to the left. So your feet are heading kind of in the same direction, but your toe is going to the right and your heel is going to the left. So let's just try that. Right now our weight is split between both. Come up on your right heel, left toe, and rotate your feet out to the sides. Come back center, putting your weight onto your right foot. Now, if that swivet feels hard, you can replace it by rotating both heels to the left and then back center, putting your weight onto your right foot if you are unable to do that swivet for any reason. For this tutorial, I will be doing the swivet, but feel free to replace it with those swivel to the left if you would like. So let's try it with some counts. We just finished our toe struts. You're going to do your points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your right foot to end that section. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the left. So you're going to step your left foot to the side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. We're now going to do step touches. So you're going to step your right foot to the side, touch your left next to your right, step your left foot to the side, touch your right next to your left. Now some styling that you can do is you can make those kind of like skates. So you'll kind of slide that right foot to the side, touch your left, slide your left foot to the side, and touch your right. For the tutorial, I will be doing step touches, but if you would like to add those slides, you can. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our swivet, so weight is on your right. Do your grapevine to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to do step, hold, quarter pivot, hold. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to hold. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock and hold. We're now going to repeat that step with your right, hold, make that quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock, then hold. Now, some styling that you can do, and this matches the intermediate dance Hot Tamales, is that you can shimmy your shoulders as you do those quarter pivots. So when you step with your right, you're going to shimmy your shoulders. So you're going to go step, shimmy, quarter shimmy, step, shimmy, quarter shimmy, and just kind of replace those holds with shimmies and make that turn nice and slow. For the tutorial, I will be doing those shimmies, but feel free to leave them out or add them if you would like. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're going to do our step shimmy. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our toe strut. So it's right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, point, step, swivet. Grapevine to the left, step, touch, step, hold, quarter, hold, step, hold, quarter, hold. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, you want to practice that suivette. It is kind of the hardest step in the dance, so it gives you a lot of opportunities to practice just doing that one harder step in a dance. So let's just practice that suivette one more time before we go around, just to make sure that you get it nice and slow. Weight is split between both feet because we just stepped together. Lift that right toe up, keeping your heel on the ground, and rotate that right toe to the right side. Now, come up onto your left toe, rotate on your left toe, bringing that left heel out to the left. Let's try it together, nice and slow, bringing that right toe up, left heel up, and then rotate. So your whole body is kind of twisting to the right when you do it, but your heel is heading to the left, toe is heading to the right. So try it one more time, just do your lift and down, and making sure that weight is on your right foot. So now, let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our toe strut. So it's right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, point, step, suivette. Grapevine to the left, step, touch. Now step, hold, quarter, hold, step, hold, quarter, hold, toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toe strut, toe strut, toe strut, toe strut. Point, step, suivette. Grapevine to the left, step, touch. Step, hold, quarter, hold. Step, hold, quarter, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, this is not on the step sheet. However, a lot of people do like to make this dance contra. So if you would like to make it a contra dance, it is just as much fun making it a 2-wall line dance. But if you would like to make it contra, you line up facing each other, and you're in each other's windows. So there's not going to be anybody standing in front of you. And you want to be pretty close, and you will make those toe struts pass through each other. And then when you do those 2-quarter pivots, that will bring you back to face each other. And that is how you can make it contra if you would like. But again, it's not on the step sheet, so you don't have to do it. It is just a styling option. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so that you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Hot Tamales Junior. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
You're an uptown boy, mighty easy on the eye. rocking, but I'm country down to my